Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Ever wonder why your toy car sits still until you push it? Or why, once it's rolling, it just keeps going? There's a hidden superpower at play. That superpower is called inertia. It's an invisible rule that says, if I'm standing still, I want to keep standing still. Imagine a giant, sleepy boulder. It has lots of inertia. It's super hard to get it to move because it just wants to stay put. To get something still to move, you need to give it a force, a push or a pull, like kicking a soccer ball. And here's the other part of inertia's rule. If I'm moving, I want to keep moving. A rolling skateboard doesn't want to stop easily. To stop something that's moving, you need another force pushing against it, like your hand catching a fast ball. Ever felt yourself lean forward when a car brakes suddenly? That's your body's inertia wanting to keep going, even when the car stops. That's why seatbelts are super important. They provide the force to stop you safely with the car, thanks to inertia. Here's a cool trick. Put objects on a tablecloth. If you yank it super fast, the objects might just stay put. Inertia resists the quick pull. From a soccer ball staying still until it's kicked, to a basketball flying towards the hoop, inertia is a true sports star. In space with no air or friction, if an astronaut pushes something, it will just keep going and going and going thanks to inertia. And things that are spinning love to keep spinning. That's inertia helping a bicycle wheel stay upright and balanced. Inertia helps us balance, helps our toys roll, and even explains why it's hard to push a big shopping cart. Inertia is an invisible but super powerful force of nature. It's why things in our world behave the way they do every single day. So the next time something stays put and keeps on going, give a nod to inertia. What other inertia adventures can you discover today? If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.